Which is easier, adding 33 plus 45 all at once, or adding the tens and the ones separately? Hello everyone and welcome to a new video from Math in 2 minutes, where we cover all math, and today we will be adding two-digit numbers. So if I have 33 plus 45, the idea is adding the tens alone, which is 30 plus 40, and adding the ones alone, which is 3 plus 5. So 30 plus 40 is 70, and 3 plus 5 is 8, so the answer is 78. But today I want to teach you the column method. Let's learn a super easy trick together. So the first thing you have to do is you have to write the numbers in columns. That means 33, and then under it we will write 45. But don't write 45 like this, and don't write 45 like this. You have to care about lining the numbers up correctly. Why is that? Because of the place value. So we have to put the ones under the ones and the tens under the tens. This way is the correct way. The ones above the ones, the tens above the tens. Then put the plus sign, and this line is the same as the equal sign. The next step after you put the numbers correctly is to add the ones. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Put the answer here. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 33 plus 45 is 78. Now let's practice these examples. How can I add 23 plus 41? So the first thing, put 23. Right below it, put 41 and make sure that you place the ones above the ones and the tens above the tens. Plus sign, equal. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. What about this one? Let's do it again. 52 first. Then put the 14 and make sure that you put the tens under the tens and the ones under the ones. Plus sign, equal. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 1 is also 6. Now number 3. 34 first and then 15. Put the plus sign and then add. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 49. Now it's a quiz time. Can you try these by yourself? That's it for today. Thank you and see you in the next video. Pandabood.